Check. Okay, then this portion I see here, shrub, 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 Control P. Let's check. I will definitely get a boundary error because my neighbor did something wrong. So I will report this. Error. This one I can remove. Okay. I have to go one by one. Yeah. Generate report. Okay. And report the task. Not reportable. Let's see. Control P.
Start. 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 Okay na ba yung Gmeet ni Sir Mark sa kabila, guys?
Meron na, sir.
Andun si Sir Mark?
Yes, sir, sa training.
Have to get this task out of my way. But you can fail the task if there's really a big error. If you're working on the filter side, again, guys, you can fail the task if it's really a big error. Okay? Are we clear? Small errors like this, you can approve. This one, we don't know. It's all black. This one, it's just one.
That's the benchmark, sir.
It's 20 seconds per layer. Sorry, 15 seconds per task per layer. Okay, for filter side, it's 15 seconds per task. Clear? Boundary error,
Sir,
water.
pag mag-submit ng task, sir, including na yun pag-submit, sir, yung control D ka na, tapos matagal sa, submit. Or yung time na nag-control D, out, control A ka na, sir. Yun na nag-stop yung, 15 seconds mo.
The moment you start working on the task, every click that you do will cause or will make the time run. So as far as I am concerned, every time I click, it adds to the time.
Pag pag nag-control A ka na, sir, doon na siya mag-stop yung time, sir.
Oh, once you do submitted the task, it will submit automatically, guys.
Kasi di ba, pag magko-control A ka, master, tapos maglo-loading pa ba, di ba yan? Ganyan. Pag submit mo, maglo-loading muna bago directly na ma-submit.
JM, sa akin mo na yan itanong mamaya. Tusukin
Okay,
mo kwet mo.
Guys, teka lang. Kailangan kong mag-reset ng mga task. Guys, walang magpupul kasi may mga nagpupul, hindi naman sinabing mag-pull na. So, tulad nun. So, nagko-cause ng error. Diba? And the website is very cooperative. Fire. Filter ID. Default SHP. Charger approved. Filter submit. Enabler submit. Skip the wire.
That's okay. I'm not for you. Okay.
Pero malinaw na guys yung filter side Kailangan kong i-reset. Ang dami na naman nag-acquire.
Violet. A purple. Purple, Mama. Purple.
Andito ba si Ryu AJ Boy Balon? Mga taga-Ryu. Nandito ba kayo? Sino to? AJ Boy Balon.
Hindi namin sir.
Kilala nyo?
Ano ba yan? Really?
Purple.
Wait sir. Nasa team ko yan sir. Nasa team ko yan sir. Wait lang.
Yeah.
Grabe website. Bagal. Tsaka si XF Hamiel Online nag-pull ulit Sabi paki-exit muna yung mga software nila. Ito naman tayo sa labeler side. Okay. So yung mga fail na tasks sa filter side, mapupunta sa tasks that are failed from filter side will go to the labeler side. Also, there is a tab, 1788. So those who passed LAN cover can actually work here. And same thing with the LAN cover filter works. Okay. So for this one, so you need to capture building, pavement, road, railway, and paved sport ground. When you say paved sport ground, the cemented part of the sport ground only. Exclude the grass. Okay? So this is pretty much simple. I sent the training material again. So please take time to review the training material. Okay, clear? I sent it ahead. So you will have an opportunity to read through the training material before working. So there is no, Paul hasn't fixed it yet. So technically, there's no building, pavement, road, railway, or paved sport ground in this task. So there's nothing for me to capture in this task. So give me a moment. Okay. 88. Okay, so for the meantime, guys, while we're trying to fix the issue with tab 1788, please focus first in tab 1789. Okay? Filter works. So let's focus on that first. But for those who are working in 3D matching, please work in 3D matching. It's due today. So let's make sure that we also get it done. So we have actually all tabs due today. Okay? Clear? All right. So please take note of the training materials. So I'll send it again. Any questions so far, guys? Those who have experience with quick nature repair, I think this will be pretty easy for you. But for those who does not have an experience from the previous quick nature repair, get in touch also with your team leads to help you understand more about the project. Okay? Clear? Yes, it's 30%. Cesar Montilla for land cover. Yes, there's someone checking. 1789. 1789, yes. Okay. Once the software is fixed for 1788, I'll call out another meeting. Okay? But for the meantime, let's work on 3D matching and land cover. Thank you, guys.